Top $10 Million Supercar that was built with Outlawed Technology cars. Welcome to our channel. Today we dive into the top 10 points about a $10 million supercar built with outlawed technology, from banned Formula One advancements to groundbreaking innovations. This is a story of rebellion, risk, and the pursuit of automotive perfection. Number 10. The F1 connection pushing boundaries with banned technology. Imagine a car that borrows from the pinnacle of motorsport, Formula One, where cutting-edge technology is often outlawed to prevent unfair advantages or for safety concerns. This $10 million supercar features components inspired by F1 tech that has been banned from the sport, but found new life on the road. Active suspension systems, which adjust the vehicle's performance based on conditions, are one such innovation. Banned in F1 for giving teams too much of an edge, it's a different story when applied to this road beast. Number 9. Ground effect aerodynamics. Faster than the law allows. In Formula One, ground effect aerodynamics were designed to create massive downforce by sucking the car closer to the ground, improving grip and speed. Although banned in F1 in the 1980s due to safety concerns, this $10 million supercar has revived the concept, giving it unprecedented stability and handling at high speeds. The sensation of being glued to the road at 200 miles per hour is nothing short of exhilarating, but the very idea of using such a technique in a road-legal car raises eyebrows. With aerodynamics so advanced that they were deemed too dangerous for racing, can the average driver really handle such power? This is not just about speed, it's about redefining what road cars are capable of. Number 8. Turbocharging to the max illegal levels of boost. Turbocharging is common in modern cars, but there are limits to how much boost you can safely apply. This supercar breaks those limits, using turbochargers that were banned in racing leagues for being too powerful. The turbo boost levels in this machine are dialed up to an extent that no road car should ever need, unless you're craving an adrenaline rush that's dangerously addictive. The raw power of this outlawed turbo tech is enough to launch the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, leaving you questioning whether such power should be unleashed on public roads. This supercar doesn't just push the boundaries of speed, it obliterates them. Number 7. Traction control. A rule-breaking reinvention. Traction control systems have been outlawed in many racing series for providing too much assistance to drivers, negating skill in favor of technology. In this $10 million supercar, however, traction control has been reimagined, offering drivers a safety net while still delivering a raw, thrilling driving experience. The technology walks a fine line between innovation and unfair advantage, giving drivers the confidence to push the car to its limits. But as you grip the steering wheel, you can't help but wonder, is this too much of a good thing? This machine doesn't just keep you safe, it empowers you to dance on the edge of control. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with more exciting content. Number 6. Active aerodynamics. Banned but reborn. Active aerodynamics were banned in Formula One after teams exploited moving parts to gain an edge over competitors. This outlawed tech has made a bold return in this supercar, where active aero components adjust in real time to optimize speed, downforce, and cooling. Whether it's a wing that shifts to reduce drag or air intakes that adjust based on speed, the car seems to morph as it tears down the road. The thrill of this constantly changing machine is undeniable, but with technology once deemed unsafe for racing, is it really meant for everyday driving? With each movement of its aero parts, the supercar challenges the very definition of road legality. Number 5. Banned materials. Lightweight, but at what cost? Exotic materials are often banned in motorsport for being too expensive or too difficult to regulate. This supercar takes full advantage of those banned materials, using ultra-lightweight, super-strong components that push it beyond the limits of what's typically allowed in road-legal vehicles. With materials like titanium alloys and carbon composites that would make an F1 car blush, the car is fast, too fast maybe. These banned materials are lighter and stronger than anything legally allowed in most vehicles, but they also come at a price, both in cost and risk. Just how far are you willing to go for speed? Every gram shaved off the car's weight brings it closer to outlaw territory. Number 4. Hybrid power with a dark side. Hybrid engines are typically praised for their environmental benefits, but in racing, they've been banned for making cars too fast or unmanageable. This $10 million supercar utilizes a hybrid engine that draws from outlawed tech, combining combustion power with electric motors for an insane power-to-weight ratio. The result is a machine that can go from eerily silent to a roaring beast in seconds. While it might seem eco-friendly, the dark side of this hybrid tech is its potential for creating uncontrollable bursts of speed, leading some to question whether it's safe for public roads. This hybrid isn't here to save the planet, it's here to conquer it. Number 3. KIR's band energy recovery resurfaces. The kinetic energy recovery system KIR's, once banned in racing for giving teams an unfair boost, has found its way into this supercar. KIR's allows the car to store energy from braking and then unleash it in short, powerful bursts, giving it a sudden and explosive speed advantage. It's a thrilling feeling, knowing that with the press of a button, you can tap into this forbidden well of power. But the very fact that this technology was banned in racing for safety reasons raises a critical question. Should any road car have this kind of power at its disposal? With KIR's, the supercar transforms into a missile waiting to be launched. Number 2. Power-to-weight ratio. A balance gone rogue. One of the critical components of any performance vehicle is its power-to-weight ratio. But there are limits to how far you can push this equation, before it becomes dangerous. This supercar shatters those limits, boasting a power-to-weight ratio that would make any race car driver envious. The problem: too much power and not enough weight can make the car nearly impossible to control in the hands of the average driver. The sheer danger of this setup is what makes it so thrilling. This is not a car for the faint of heart, but should such a vehicle even be allowed on the road? The car's power-to-weight ratio isn't just a stat, it's a loaded weapon. Number 1. A price tag to match its illegality. At $10 million, this supercar isn't just expensive, it's practically untouchable. The price isn't just for the car's luxurious materials or cutting-edge design. It's for the outlawed technology hidden under the hood, tech that you can't find in any legal production car. The cost reflects the car's audacity, its refusal to follow the rules that govern the automotive world. But as the price tag rises, so do the questions. Is it worth it? Is this level of power, speed, and danger something we should even aspire to? In the world of supercars, this machine stands alone, a symbol of what happens when innovation goes too far. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with all our latest content.